Yeah, everybody, what's up? So today we're going to do something kind of cool. We're going to talk about adulting. That's right, grown-up stuff. Like, you got a car with bad tire pressure. Do you call a relative or a friend or take it to a mechanic? No! You got this, and I'll show you how. Well, hey everybody, what's up? I'm your host Kevin, welcoming you to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. Please like and subscribe, and if you subscribe, click on that notification bell so you know when we drop more Good Tech Cheap. Because if you do, you'll learn about cool stuff like the Gobege 12V portable air compressor. Oh yeah, this is a heavy-duty 5.65 CSM truck tire inflator. It's an off-road compressor kit. You can use it for lots of different things, but hey, filling those tires in an efficient and easy way is going to be one of the key things you're going to get from this air compressor. I'm going to show you how to do it in just a minute. That's right, we're talking about the Gobege 12V air compressor. It is a heavy-duty air compressor. It can fill tires on your truck, on your 4x4, on your RV, all sorts of vehicles. It is equipped to handle it. It has the power. It packs it in. It has that punch. So it is a 12V off-road air compressor. It is equipped with a pure copper movement. That's a 540 watt oil-free direct drive motor. That's right, 540 watt oil-free direct drive motor. I mentioned its inflation capability, the 5.65 CSM. Well, that's 160 liters per minute. That is very fast. That is heavy duty, equipped to fill air into spaces of vehicles that are quite large. It's made with a high quality metal, comes with a high performance cylinder. It has a max working pressure of 150 PSI. What does that mean? It can inflate a 35-inch tire to 38 PSI in 5 minutes or less. So yeah, cars, trucks, off-road vehicles, RVs, SUVs, it can do it all. It also has an auto thermal switch-off system. That's right, auto thermal switch-off system. That means it'll shut down before it overheats, so you don't have to worry about anything bad happening like that. It comes with an oversized foot tray and anti-vibrate rubber feet to ensure that as your tire is being filled by that motor, everything remains stable. You're not going to have any tire pump shifting happening here. No. And you're good to go no matter where you are on the trail. So that's what you get with the 12V Gobege air compressor. Heavy duty, powerful, fast, built rugged from well-sourced materials. And if you click on that link in the description below, you'll see you can get one for only $179.99. That is correct. $179.99. Click on that link. It is in the description below. Yeah. Hey everybody, we're outside. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Perfect day to test an air compressor. Oh look, here's an air compressor. Just random, you know? So let's do something really simple right over here. I have a Volvo, and in a Volvo, you need to ground using a different part of the battery compartment. So I've already clamped to the battery. I've clamped to ground, and that's how you power it. Now we're going to turn on the car. This is going to get loud pretty quick, but you'll be able to see how it works. Already attached our hose, and we are pretty much good to go. So let's turn it on. Oh yeah. And look, it's not vibrating so much that it's falling over. It's actually holding steady where it is. Over here is a tire pressure monitor. You can see, I'm just clamping this down right now, how it's actually able to give you a pressure reading so you can get your tire's PSI just right. Here is our air compressor with its very long hose. And I've already connected it to my spare tire, which needed a little bit of air. And you can see the gauge here is going to give you the amount of pressure, the PSI, that the air compressor is providing. After everything is set up, all you have to do is turn it on. My tire was pretty full, but now it's actually where it needs to be to factory specifications. And look how quickly it was able to do that. All you do is unscrew and screw your tire cap back on. And there it is. Survey says it functions as intended. It is built sturdily and will fill up your tires on the go. This is actually a four-wheel drive vehicle, and I take it off-road all the time, so yeah, I'd say this is a pretty good deal. All right, well, I think that just about wraps it up for this video. I'd like to thank Gobege for sponsoring it and sending us the air compressor so we can check it out and share it with all of you out there. Once again, if you want to buy one of your own, $179.99, link in the description below. And if you like this video, please give us a like. If you want more of these videos, click on that subscription button and turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop more episodes of Good Tech Cheap. For now, from Los Angeles, California, I'm your host Kevin saying stay safe, be kind, and I will see you next time.